Eyes on the road, pal.
Dropping the box was not smart.
You bounced. Oh, my God, are you serious?
Something bad's about to happen, isn't it? Loss is only gone for 2 seconds. Your mistakes are about to keep you busy all day.
That art is truly a crime.
Be honest. Would you try this game with your partner?
You like it? Why you want?
Motorcycle met car very quickly.
When flexing go over limit, karma is close to you.
Oh my God, Gwen! Oh my God!
Slipped right into the muddy water.
Cidade, esqueci de olhar a previsão do tempo. Eu tô aqui com meu amigo Rô, ele veio de Goiânia. Mas a cervejinha tá em dia, ele tá todo encharcado.
Oof, bet it stinks, dude.
4, 5, 6, 7. Oh!
I just really hate chainsaw fails.
Y'all see this? Says manager. Yeah, if you have a problem, you could take it up with the boss man, let's just say.
Go, let go.
Running from a chicken is embarrassing.
Looks like safety wasn't on their checklist. Neither is ambition anymore. When nature decides to unleash winds like this, it's best advised to stay indoors, though.
Truck took down the traffic light.
For some people, rules are meant to be broken.
Vamos a sacar esto de su lugar. Lo increíble de esto es que, literal...
Bro, what the fuck is going on?
Reise. Komm, jetzt, komm.
Raza, por querer mamonear en el Starbucks.
Sve mašine, druže.
Što?
Nova Igor kupio.
Vidi, daj vidi.
Uja, maj. Šta? Gdje je ovo? Ne, ti kruti, ja te upi.
For some people, no pain just means no gains.
Todo bien. Miren mi trapecio. El DH.
The new guy's about to have a core memory, and it's called a handbrake.
No, close it.
I'm so scared.
Levántalo, hijo.
So I ordered Uber Eats and they gave us some unboiled rice.
Bold move, Speedy. How's that rapid fire delay working out for you?
Yeah, we definitely hit a water line.
It's now time for my note. No!
Yikes! Cleaning that up is.
Police cruiser flips over sideways. Package delivery, more like package.
Even when the dogs are inside, their barking can still scare off their nemesis. Now that's an interesting way to turn on the light. So I guess you've learned something about winter now, huh?
When the bar fights back.
Oh my god, the board.
A real brainiac move there, huh?
Dance moves 10 balance 0.
19, 20.
The good news is that he just got the bike where it's supposed to be.
Okay, Mama? Mama, I'm fine. Don't freak out. I just fell. Okay.
Uh-oh. Someone's about to learn the handbrake lesson.
Win said not today, Turkey. Car didn't deserve that
Bro
hit.
really wanted to save money by cutting his own wood, only to realize he lost more for it.
Oh my god. That is so cool.
My broccoli.
Hi, stole my spritz from the bar. Uh-huh.
Ain't no way. How? How do you have this thing floating here?
Well, hold on right there.
Am I doing it?
Yeah, people don't forget about that, lady.
Hey, that was so.
Shit like this. Bro, are we f***ing serious right now? I'm recording.
Don't worry, buddy. All your misery has been recorded. On night drives like this, it's best just to be a little more cautious. It's amazed me how some people would do anything just for a haircut.
Open door policy on highway.
Yikes, that's rough. Four.
Do it.
What if you mess
mess up your $100, $200 chair, bro.
The bows cost more.
It doesn't matter. You don't want to risk messing up the chair.
Derek doesn't care.
Oh! I hit the chair. You ready? All right, you good. Okay.
When the party's over, the ride back is supposed to be smooth, right?
Okay, so show me. No, no. Oh, Dad. I'm sorry.
I was trying to show my friends how I get warm after a shower, and then this happened.
Go, go. I'm okay.
I told you. I tell you what happened.
What are you guys doing? Yeah, can I have that, please? Can I have it? Oh, no, I want the bag. Can I have the bag? Thank you.
Oh, that is bad.
Squeaks too. No, it's me and my
Talk about a quick lesson on regret. Some people wake up and think, let's make today a mess.
Adiós.
Sheesh, you okay, buddy? He's thinking, how did I get here?
Calm down.
Oh, $20 right now if you can zip that jacket.
Ahí va, ahí va, ahí va, ahí va la hostia.
Talk about the detail accuracy.
God, are you good?
This might be one of the most dystopian things I've ever seen. That's ironic that you just crashed into a glass store, lady. Truly.
I don't know.
Cheese everywhere absolutely ruined dinner.
It's probably all gross too.
Literally fine. She's fine. No, we're not going home.
How do you get him out? Brother, how do you get him out?
Rumor has it they're still waiting on those glizzies to this day.
Is it impossible time? Brother. What are we...
Gravity wins again at the gym today. Car rolls back, driver chases it down.
Touch it, grip, touch the brake. Gently. Keep going, keep going. Curve the other way, turn towards the tank. Yes, yes. Good. Stop.
Guess that's how their trust issues started.
Pick him up. Just pick him up. Just pick him up. 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 Oh my God.
Is that your helmet over there, Dylan?
Yeah.
I can do it.
King is your love language.
Prank foam on the handle, messy surprise.
Así no era, po. Puta, Lucho no para el otro lado. So stupid, I told him, look. I thought it was the other side.
Tripped over the cat, painful floor meeting.
Why'd you do that? You stupid head. Ow.